Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great in your life. Today it's my 17th day of practicing spoken English, and today I decide to speak in present tense. Sorry, in past tense. I speak what I did from last 20 years because I am 20 years old. So I tell you what I did from start from I was born to where I am. So let's start. When I was maybe UKG or LKG class, I was in Bareilly, Uttar Pradesh, and one day I bunked my class and went to playground to play, and I played Khanchi. I don't know what's Hindi meaning of it, what is English meaning of it, but I played Khanchi. Then then I saw my teacher who is coming by his cycle. Then I saw him. I ran as fast as can. I ran. I saw him, but he didn't saw me. He didn't see me. But next day, he said, "Why do you leave? Why do you on holiday yesterday? Where are you yesterday?" And I said, "I was sick yesterday." And he believed me. And then I did it not on a daily basis, but three thrice in a week. 3 days in a week. I bunked 3 times in a week. So one day he noticed me and he saw me, and that time I didn't see him. He saw me while I was playing Khanchi. Then he didn't say anything at that time, but and the very next day he asked me, "Where are you? Why are you not coming yesterday?" And I said again, "I was sick yesterday." And he slapped me. He slapped me very hard and he punished me. I know my punishing was I need to stand on my hand and my foot was on the wall. This type of punishment he gave me, and for half an hour I need to stay in that position for half an hour. But and after the class, after half an hour completed, he said, "Go back to your seat." Then I seated on my bench. Now, after UKG, when I was going to class, first, my friend told me not to going to class first because there was a teacher who was very strict, who was given punishment to student very hard, and my friend scared me, and I was scared by listening that. But still, I I was going to class first and seated on a bench, and this teacher on the very first day he asked every student what they learned in UKG class, and everyone said good. Some student stuck while speaking, but still they are good. Still they were good, but when they asked any question from me, then I stayed blank. I didn't know what to say. But he didn't scold me, he didn't punish me because it was my first time. Now I didn't remember what will happen after that. So, and after not completing my first class, we came, my family and I came here, sector 22 Gurgaon, came to Gurgaon now, and I get admission in first class in Bharati Devi Public School, and he teached. I studied for 2 hours. Sorry, I studied for 2 years, first, second, and third class. 3 years, sorry. Then I took admission in Delhi school, which name is Ramanswaram Public School, and from third class to 10th class, I was studied in that school, Ramanswaram Public School, and between this time, third class to 10th class, I was enjoy a lot. I was happy in school. I love to go school at that time because of my friends, because their teachers were very supportive, because the environment of my school was spectacular, and my school had playgrounds. They we used to play one day in a week for 2 hours. That's why I love my school, Ramanswaram Public School, so much. And after 10th, my school was not what is this called, what not Manyata Prapt, maybe certified. My school was not certified to class 12, so I need to take admission in another school. So I took admission in Kendra Vidyalaya sector 14, which existed in Gurgaon and still exists. When I took admission in Kendra Vidyalaya, my admission got successful because it was Corona time, it was lockdown time, so many students was not apply for admission. So it was my luck to get admission in Kendra Vidyalaya sector 14. Okay, when I get admission, their teacher were very strict. They taught us only in English, even the account teacher, but only Hindi teacher teach us only Hindi, and in fact उसे छोड़ के what's called उसे छोड़ के accept him, all the teacher will taught us only in English, and I got confused so much because I didn't know English very well. I didn't know how to understand while someone is speaking English, and today I am speaking English for 10 minutes continuously, and this was my story. This is my story. 9 minutes completed. I still 1 minute left, and I speak. I didn't prepare anything. I speak whatever comes in my mind. I speak what I felt at that time when I was in school. So, but I tried to understand what they were saying, but still not understood. But after 2 years, I wasted my 2 years, 10th, 11th and 12th. I got commerce stream in 11th class, and after 2 years, my 12th have completed, and I didn't know what to do next. Because of I am from commerce stream, That's why I decided to appear in chartered accountancy exam. And this was my great mistake. This was my biggest mistake of my life. I wasted my 1 year to appearing in chartered accountancy exam. I failed not once, twice in a year. Then I decided to leave it, and after leave, I need to do some job. So I uh, I I went to interview for a job in an Ganpati Honda. Then I selected. I got selected in an interview. They hired me as a sales executive in Honda showroom, and it's my 3 year. 3 year. 3 months. I have completed 3 months while doing job in Honda showroom. And after 1 month, when my salary was credited, I decided to admission in Rise Academy to learn proficiency in English. So this is my uh, this is my this is my right decision to took admission in Rise Academy, and here I speak to speak 10 minutes without any pause, without thinking too much. I know I made mistake. I am not perfect, but still I am speaking just because of Rise Academy, and it's my 17th day only. And for today, it's over. We will meet you tomorrow, and I hope you didn't like my video. You do not like my video because I makes many mistakes while speaking, but I will improve, and I can see I am improving day by day. Today I watched my first day video and compared it to my practicing spoken video of 16th day, and what I saw I am improving. And today it's 12 minutes 40 seconds completed, and still I didn't want to take rest while speaking.